Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how you can speed up your Windows 10 with these easy settings. Firstly, open the Settings app and find the About section. Now, tap on the Advanced System Settings. Next, select the Performance settings. Then, make sure to tick the box with only the options you really need. Now, press the Apply button. Next, go back to the Ease of Access section. Uncheck the scroll bar and transparency options. Now, go to the lock screen settings and pick a picture instead of using Windows Spotlight. Now, open the Run box and use these three commands to remove all the temporary files. After that, open Control Panel and click on Turn Windows Features on or off. Here, remove any Windows feature that you don't need, and then restart your computer. Now your window will run smoothly with faster speed. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries, please comment below.